Hello friends, today we are going to learn the NCERT questions of the chapter number 6, Physical and Chemical Change. Question number 1, classify the changes involved in the following processes as physical or chemical changes. Photosynthesis, chemical change. Dissolving sugar in water, physical change. Burning of coal, chemical change. Melting of wax, physical change. Beating aluminium to make aluminium foil, physical change. Digestion of food, chemical change. Question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. In case a statement is false, write the corrected statement. Part A. Cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. False. Formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. False. Part C. Iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. True. Part D. Iron and rust are the same substances. False. Part E. Condensation of steam is not a chemical change. True. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks in the following statements. Part A. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Part B. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Part C. Two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are greasing and oiling. Part D. Changes in which only physical properties of a substance change are called physical changes. Part E. Changes in which new substances are formed are called chemical changes. Question number 4. When baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evolution of a gas. What type of change is it? Explain. Answer. The bubbles are basically due to the formation of carbon dioxide gas. On mixing baking soda with lemon juice, they react with each other to form carbon dioxide and other products. Question number 5. When a candle burns, both physical and chemical changes take place. Identify these changes. Give another example of a familiar process in which both the chemical and physical changes take place. Answer number 5. Melting of wax, physical change. Burning of wax, chemical change. Digestion of food is another example in the process. Food is physically broken down into smaller pieces by chewing and also chemically broken down by enzymes in the saliva and acid in the stomach. Question number 6. How would you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? Answer. We can get milk, original substance, back from curd. Also, the new substance curd has different chemical properties, taste, smell, etc. Question number 7. Explain why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different types of changes. Answer. When we cut wood, only its shape and size is changed and new substance is not formed. But when we burn wood, a new substance is formed. Question number 8. Describe how crystals of copper sulfate are prepared. Answer. Crystallization is the process by which we can obtain crystals of copper sulfate. In this process, a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid is added to water. The water is then boiled, and as it starts boiling, copper sulfate powder is added with stirring. The powder must be added until the solution becomes saturated. Afterwards, it is filtered into a china dish and allowed to cool undisturbed. After some time, the crystals of copper sulfate separate out. Question number 9. Explain how painting of an iron gates prevent it from rusting. Answer. Rusting of iron happens when it comes in contact with air and moisture. By painting the iron gate, we are preventing the contact of water and air from iron. Question number 10. Explain why rusting of iron objects is faster in coastal areas than in deserts. Answer. Because the presence of moisture in the air promotes rusting of iron. The quantity of moisture in coastal areas is quite high as compared to deserts, where moisture content in the air is very low. Question number 11. The gas we use in the kitchen is called liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. In the cylinder, it exists as a liquid. When it comes out from the cylinder, it becomes a gas. Change A. Then it burns. Change B. The following statements pertain to these changes. Choose the correct one. First, process A is a chemical change. Process B is a chemical change. Third, both processes A and B are chemical changes. None of these processes is a chemical change. Answer. Process B is a chemical change. Question number 10. Anaerobic bacteria digest animal waste and produce biogas. The biogas is then burnt as fuel. The following statements pertain to these changes. Choose the correct one. Process A is a chemical change. Process B is a chemical change. Both processes A and B are chemical changes. None of these processes is a chemical changes. Answer. Both process A and B are chemical changes. Thank you friends. Bye bye.